Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So ever since I started my YouTube channel or started making makeup videos, a lot of you have been bombarding me with how I have clear skin or how I have glass-like skin or whatever. So I thought that in today's video, I will acknowledge your question and I will share my skincare routine with you guys. So, before we get into this video, I will take a moment and say this that I am obviously not a dermatologist or anything of that sort. So, whatever works for me will not necessarily work for you. So, I recommend you guys to do a patch test before following what I do in case you are thinking of following it. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's first make the mask and then we'll do the other process that we are supposed to do. So I've taken an empty bowl over here and into this I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of besan. I'm only eyeballing everything. You can, like get hold of the quantity you want to use. So here I have taken besan or gram flour, whatever you call it. I have taken this much amount and I'll put it in this. Gram flour helps fight acne. I have heard this and it works for me, so yeah. Then I'm gonna add milk in this. Not too much, we do not have to make like very runny. We have to make it like a paste consistency. If you have oily skin, then you have to add curd. If you have dry skin, then you should add milk. So milk is down the lane. Now I'm gonna add turmeric. So turmeric, everyone knows it has antiseptic properties in it. So I've added turmeric. Then I'm gonna add honey. One of the major reasons why I do not have acne is because I have very dry skin and in winters it's really annoying, if I may say that, because I get very flaky skin all over my face and all over my body. So I use this face mask to kind of heal whatever blunder is going on. And now I'm gonna mix this. Alright, so this is the consistency of your face mask and it should not be flowy whatsoever. And now I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator. Why refrigerator? Because I know you guys know the benefits of running ice all over your face. It enhances the blood circulation and makes your skin look very younger. So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. It will do the same thing that ice does. And फ्रीजर में डाल के जमाना नहीं है. We just have to keep it in the refrigerator जब तक हम लोग बाकी सारा काम करते हैं. Alright, you all. So now that our face mask is chilling in the refrigerator, we're gonna move to further steps or the earlier steps. You get the point, right? So whenever you're doing this regime or following this routine, you should not have any makeup on your face. So I'm gonna quickly take all of the makeup off, and then we'll do the talking. Alright, so all the makeup is off my face. Now I'm gonna go and wash my face with a face wash, obviously. Obviously, I'll suggest you guys to do it on a wash basin or something, but because I'm making a video, so I'll do it over here. Also, I have washed my hands. Make sure that you have washed your hands when you're gonna be touching your face or anything. Your hands need to be clean. Alright, so the face wash is done. Now I'm gonna use a toner. So the toner that I'm using is from Himalaya. You can use any toner that you want to. Rose water is the best toner, I feel, if you do not want to buy any artificial these kind of toners. But because I have this, I'm gonna make use of this. I'm done with toner. I'm gonna take thoda sa सूखा cotton and I'm just gonna dab the excess off my face. So because I'm not a pro at it, so the methods that I'm using might be flawed, but let's not be bitter on each other. I've been doing this because it's working best for me. Yeah. Alright, so toner is also done. Now we'll go and take our mask out from the refrigerator. So here is our mask. You can obviously use your fingers and apply it, but I use a brush because को मेरे nails में घुस जाएगा, वो मुझे नहीं चाहिए. So I'm gonna take a brush and apply this face mask on my face. Also, on normal days when I'm shooting and I have makeup on, I do until toner and then I moisturize my face. I do this extra step of face mask once a week. If you have sensitive skin, then you can, make it once a month also, but I do it once a week and it works like wonders for me. So yeah, there's no need of doing this every day if you guys are wondering. Okay, so the mask is on. Now we're gonna leave it for 20 minutes. For me, it is 20 minutes and you have to leave it until it dries out completely. And yeah, now we wait. Alright you guys, so it's 20 minutes are up and my face mask is completely dried. As you can see, it's completely dried. Now we're not just gonna go and wash it off, we're gonna rub it and take it off. The reason why we are doing this is because this helps to, kind of take off all the dead skin cells that you have on your face. Do not be very aggressive while rubbing it. Be very gentle, be polite, take your sweet little time and then do it. Obviously do it on a wash basin. I am having a towel because गिरेगा ये. So yeah. So now that I have taken majority of it out, I'm gonna wash my face. Take this off entirely. Obviously you do not need to do face wash again and everything. You just have to wash it by plain water and you're good to go. So yeah, I've moisturized my face and I've put on a lip balm and that's about it for my skincare routine. Alright you guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. I recommend patch test before testing any of the things that I've said in the video. And yeah, if you liked it, give it a like and I'm gonna see you on Friday. Bye!